Today we're looking at the Nexen Classe Premier CP671, a budget-friendly standard touring all-season tire that delivers balanced performance across most driving conditions. If you're shopping for an affordable all-season option that handles the everyday commute reasonably well, the CP671 is worth a look. Let's dig into how it stacks up against the competition. Our rankings are based on a value rating that combines real customer satisfaction scores with the total miles reported by surveyed owners. The more real-world miles behind a tire's ratings, the higher our confidence in those scores. That means a newer tire might have great early reviews, but rank lower until more drivers have weighed in. Tire ratings change often and new tires enter the market regularly, so visit TireGrades.com to see the latest top picks for your car, truck, or SUV. These ratings are based on real customer feedback and driving experience across the category. Dry surface performance is right in line with the category average, delivering solid everyday handling on dry pavement. Wet surface performance is right in line with the category average, so you'll get reliable grip in the rain, though it won't stand out from the pack. Ride comfort and noise level is average for the category, offering a comfortable enough ride for daily driving without any major complaints. Winter snow performance falls below average, so while it can handle a light dusting, plan on winter tires if you see serious snow. Tread wear and longevity falls below the category average, meaning you may need to replace these sooner than competitors. No tire is perfect, so let's compare this budget tire in an apples-to-apples comparison against the top alternatives in the standard touring all-season category from the premium, middle, and budget price ranges to get a good feel for how it stacks up against the best tires currently available. The Michelin Defender 2 is our premium alternative, and it's a powerhouse with over 7 million miles of real-world feedback backing its impressive ratings. Dry weather performance sees a substantial advantage for the Michelin, translating to more confident handling and shorter stopping distances when the roads are clear. Wet weather capability shows an even larger gap, with the Defender 2 delivering noticeably superior traction and hydroplaning resistance in rain. Winter weather is where the difference becomes most dramatic. The Michelin handles snow and ice far more capably, making it a much safer choice if you face regular winter conditions. Ride comfort is significantly smoother in the Defender 2, absorbing road imperfections with greater refinement. Tread wear is another standout area where the Michelin truly excels, with customers reporting much longer tire life that helps justify the higher upfront cost. The Yokohama Abbott Ascend LX sits in the mid-range price tier and brings solid credentials with 6.6 million miles reported and a strong 66% confidence rating. Dry weather performance shows a meaningful edge for the Yokohama, giving you better grip and more responsive handling in clear conditions. Wet weather capability is noticeably stronger in the Ascend LX, providing improved confidence when dealing with rain and wet pavement. Winter weather sees a significant advantage for the Yokohama. It handles snow and light ice considerably better than the CP671. Ride comfort is where the Ascend LX pulls ahead with a smoother, more refined ride quality that makes long drives more pleasant. Tread wear is substantially better in the Yokohama, with customers reporting it lasts significantly longer before needing replacement. Within the budget category, the Yokohama Abbott Touring S is a compelling alternative with an impressive 11 million miles of real-world data, our highest confidence tire at 100%. Dry weather performance shows a modest advantage for the Yokohama, delivering slightly better traction and handling in fair conditions. Wet weather capability gives the Touring S a notable edge with improved rain performance that enhances safety in common driving scenarios. Winter weather sees a significant gap favoring the Yokohama. It's considerably more capable in snow and cold conditions. Ride comfort is where the Touring shows a clear advantage, offering a noticeably smoother and quieter ride. Tread wear is substantially better in the Yokohama, with customers consistently reporting longer tire life. The CP671, with only 1.7 million miles reported and 17% confidence, simply hasn't had enough drivers weigh in yet to establish its performance as reliably as the proven Touring S. For the complete breakdown of the Nexen Classe Premier CP671, including our detailed value rating analysis, common problems to watch for, and where to find the best prices, head over to TireGrades.com. We've got all the real-world data you need to make the right choice for your vehicle and driving style. Good luck and happy motoring.